Hi, today's November the 12th, and I'm going to show you how to easily have site visitors save a calendar event on their Google Calendar. You can add a Google Calendar button onto your website so visitors can quickly save your event on their own Google Calendar. To let anyone save your calendar event, you'll need to make your calendar public. So on your computer, don't use it on the phone, it won't work. Open Google Calendar. You can only make changes to your calendar visibility from a computer, not the mobile app. So on the public calendar, create and edit an event, like I'm doing Giving Tuesday for the Route 6 Tourist Association. And click More Actions on the right, and then click Publish Event. In the Publish Event window, you're going to see a tag that says copy the HTML code displayed, open your website editor, and then paste that code that you copied where you want the event button to display. Now, I created a button with Canva and then linked that button with that code. And then make sure when you go to the Google Calendar where the event is at, select the calendar, and then click the three dot buttons next to the name of that calendar. Click Settings and Sharings. And in the calendar settings, access permissions have to be set to public. There you have it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.